Here we have an Audi A4 B6. B6, we're doing some front end restoration. And this part right here is all broken. The license plate holder that needs to be replaced. The problem is, if you want an OEM piece, you're gonna pay at least 80 bucks. I found one on eBay. Like I said, 80 bucks, free shipping. Part number is ADO807-285-B3FZ. I am not gonna pay 80 bucks to change this. That would be extremely foolish of me. Next best thing is to find an Amazon piece that can take its place. And we found this piece. Part number is right here. Costs about 10 bucks. If we notice that the license plate holder, the OEM, has a curve to it, Amazon piece can bend slightly. So we're gonna try to mount that on there and see how it goes. And here we are trying to mount the license plate bracket, but we've come across a few problems already. The first one, the mounting bolts, the mounting screws. I'm using way smaller ones in substitute of these original ones because this bracket is not that thick. I'm using these that would go over here instead. The problem is there's only two in the bag of hardware that comes with the kit. So those go here, and on the bottom, I'm probably just gonna use the OEM screws. The problem here now is when everything is centered, this bottom piece, you still need to cut it a little bit. So on this one, I'm gonna drill into it so I can make some space for the screw. Another problem is the bracket is much smaller than the OEM. So all around you have these gouges, these scratches, these marks that are highly visible to anyone outside, which might defeat the purpose of swapping out this bracket. But this bumper is in terrible condition. It's got a cracks, paint starting to flake out. So to me, it's whatever if it stays like that. This bumper needs to be repainted anyway. Holes have been drilled, OEM screws on the bottom. This bracket is now firm. Yeah, very firm. Now what I'm gonna do is add an old license plate that I have around to see the final results. And yeah, I'm supposed to surrender this license plate to the DMV. So don't let them know that I still have the license plate. I'm gonna return it after the end of this video, I swear. Here's a shot of what the bracket used to look like, and let's blend it into the new one. And what do you think? Big improvement, right? I think it looks good. There is a noticeable gap at the top. That gap is not because it's loose, it's just the way it is. Might be a deal breaker for some of you. And like I said, I think it looks good. Now, if you want it to look like it did when you first bought the car, pay that $80 plus, and of course it'll look top notch. But this was a video for a alternative, and we only paid about 10 bucks. This was the only bracket I could find for the A4 B6 as of the making of this video. In the future, there might be a better alternative. And if there is, please let us know. We might make an update video on that, or make your own video about that, and we'll put this one to shame. We'll put this one away. So there you go. I don't even notice these gouges anymore from the original plate. They've blended in with the car now. Well, that was it for this video. Have a good day.